100 till Ronaldo. We gonna get him, all right, y'all? We gonna get that 100 till Ronaldo, all right? We gonna get him, all right? Mark my word.
No, listen me. Before Speed starts the video, let me tell you one thing. Actually, मैंने भी बहुत ज़्यादा पैक ओपनिंग करी और पता है क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो का जो कार्ड था 112 ओवर का मेरे को मिल गया था, and I was like I don't know how to react actually. I played FIFA mobile so much actually. I'm still playing the Fcmobile 24, so like it's really crazy card, guys. Like देखते हैं वीडियो को, मज़ा आने वाला है.
I swear. France. CB. Man City.
What the hell is doing?
What? Oh, here we go. Brazil. Left wing.
Here we go,
Barcelona.
guys. Ronaldinho. Here we go. Guys.
You already know.
Out.
That's what I like to pull. Now give me over now. Nigeria, striker.
Nigeria.
Inter Milan.
Ito, guys. It's Ito.
Ethiopian.
Let me tell you guys, we just have to wait for the moment when Speed is going to pull the Cristiano Ronaldo card. It's going to be crazy.
Yo,
Let's
I'm opening
this.
up like 10 of them, bro. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Let's open up 10. I gotta open up 10, bro. I gotta open up 10. I gotta go all in.
That's the biggest troll, guys. There we go. Even I was confused when I see the icon card.
Chris Paul? What the fuck?
भाई मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है ये पैक ओपनिंग, ये बहुत ही बढ़िया है.
Paulette, like bro, what? Oh my god!
Again. We know who is this. It's Bernardo Silva, guys. It was easy actually.
Why is FIFA trolling me, bro? Why is FIFA trolling me, bro? Why is FIFA trolling me today? Like, why they keep trolling me? France,
actually.
Left mid.
Who's this? It's icon. Obviously not Ronaldo.
Oh my god,
Beckham?
wallahi!
Yeah.
Wallahi!
It's a Beckham.
Fucking David Beckham, bruh!
Let's skip this.
Well,
It's a Totti.
bruh!
Italy. CB.
Oh my god.
It's a Maldini. It's a Maldini card. I knew it, guys.
Oh my.
I knew
AC
it.
Milan. Mount.
You know, guys, that Maldini is one of the best cards.
Maldini.
Like when I was playing the game.
Maldini.
इतना
Okay,
बढ़िया
alright,
card है,
that
guys.
was done. That's done.
बहुत ही बढ़िया defensive है. I love
Oh
this card.
my God. For the love of God.
So, let's see the reaction. Lovely. Let's go. भाई मजा आ गया कसम से. Just take a look.
Get down there! That's it! I'm a black man!